my way, my way, my way, all day, my way, my way, my way, all day, my way, my way, my way.
What's up, my love? It's Chef Love, my love, and the Kitty. Today we're making mac and cheesy chicken. So let's get started. Things first, Zayla, tell them what they need.
Cheese, whipping cream, milk, seasoning, cream cheese, noodles, and don't forget your chicken.
Your chicken. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to melt down the cheese. The reason being because my pasta is no longer hot. So we're just going to take our milk, which is about 2 cups, and we're just going to pour it in a saucepan. Whoops! Try to get it all in there instead of on the floor. Then we're going to take, this is mozzarella cheese mixed with Romana and mozzarella and Fiesta cheese blend. Of course, it's been sitting so it melts it all together. That's why we're melting it down. So just put it in here. And again, this is the Fiesta blend. And I'm sorry, that was Parmesan, mozzarella, milk, and Romana cheese. And now Fiesta blend, which has Monterey Jack, cheddar in it. And Zayla's gonna go ahead and put the mild cheese in here. And this is just on medium high. Again, like I said, it melted together, but we're gonna go ahead and put it in here and let it melt down. So we're kind of making a sauce, but not so much a sauce or a roux, because I don't have any flour or anything in there. Go ahead and put it in there. She's just pouring that in there, that bag. And we have taco blend. The reason I did taco blend is because it already has a little seasoning in it. So we're going to add that in there also. And then Zayla's going to pour the cup of heavy cream inside here. Just like that. Then we're going to mix this and let it melt down. So continue to let it all be incorporated. And as that begins to melt down, I will slowly add the cream cheese. Okay, now we're going to add our seasoning, which is flour, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Just enough, because once it pours over that pasta, lose it. But as you can see, it's beginning to melt down. And we're going to start adding our cream cheese. Just let this simmer a little bit more. Okay, now that the cheese has basically melted and incorporated real good with the milk and heavy cream, Zayla's going to go ahead and start adding cream cheese in there to thicken it up. And because it's hot already, all of the cream cheese is not going to take that long to like melt down. And then we're just going to incorporate all this together with the noodles. So it's basically a cheese sauce, but not really a cheese sauce because I didn't put a roux in here first. I just melted down the cheese with some milk so that it gets well incorporated with the pasta. Okay. Now we're going to take this big pot and add our pasta to it, and then we're going to pour this on top. Okay, just gonna let this go ahead and melt down just maybe about 2 more minutes. Okay, when I made my pasta, I put butter. After I drained it, I put butter on my pasta so it wouldn't stick. So that's why I didn't add butter to it, because the pasta already had butter in it. So now what we're going to do is take this and pour it on top of the pasta. Just careful with that hot stuff splashing, just like that. Just like that. Then we're going to take it. As you can see, the cream cheese on top is starting to break down. Just go ahead and start to mix it. As you can see that cheese. Just like this. And as I'm stirring it, you can see the cream cheese just disintegrate, just disappear. Just like this. Y'all hear it? Yes. Now, just for a little bit more flavor, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that seasoning just on top, just like this. Going to mix this in, and then we're going to put it in our pan and place it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Just want it to set just a little. Okay, there you have it. We're going to put this in the oven just for a few minutes just to get a little bake on top, that's all. Okay, while that's in the oven, we're just going to cut our chicken up, that's all. So. Just like that. Okay, we've taken this out the oven. We just wanted to crisp the top, okay? Just like this. Ooh, it's hot. So I put it on broil for about 5 minutes. And I hit the plate with a little bit of parsley. Just like this. Just like that. Now I'm going to take the chicken I cut up, place it right on top like that. Just like that. And you have chicken. Hit it with a little bit more parsley. Just like that to give it a little color. And there you have it. Mac and cheesy chicken. Zayla, tell them what they need to know.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down with your favorite part. See you next time.
See you next time.